So guys, we are actually visiting the cemetery of this village called Crespi Adda village, and it's very particular. So actually we are in a very particular place right now, because we are in the village Crespi Adda, and it was built around the 1877 for the reason why this village was built. Actually, it was to be able to give houses for the laborers that were working in this textile factory. Even though it has passed a lot of years, the village somehow still remained the same. Very particular and unique. So guys, actually this is the statue of the founder. It's Crespi. So he's the founder of this village, and it was built around 1877 or 78, and he is the founder. Then he left everything to his son called Silvio. Just to have a conclusion, this village is a UNESCO heritage. And just to end up the video, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and continue following me. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on the notification button to be able to see my future vlogs. So thank you for watching. Bye.